discussion about Exhibit 1, and that is the variable cost graphs. You can see we have two graphs here. The one on the left side is the relationship as to the total costs associated with the product. So if, in this case, and we're looking at either direct materials, direct labor, that type of thing associated with it, if we do 0 units, then we'd have 0 variable costs incurred. If, on the other hand, we do 10,000 units, then our cost is going to increase, because if it's say $10 a unit, then the variable cost for 10,000 units would be $100,000. If we do 20,000 units, our variable cost associated with 20,000 units at $10 per unit is going to be $200,000. So as the volume increases, so will our total cost. And so we have direct materials, in this case, at $10 a unit, we can see it's going to be climbing. If we look at the same thing, looking at the direct materials cost on a per unit basis, if we do 0 units, we have 0. But if we do 1 unit, the cost per unit is $10. If we do 2 units, the cost per unit is $10. So it would be $20, right? $10 per unit times 2 units, that's $20. But on a per unit basis, we divide that $20 by 2, and it's $10. If we do 10,000 units, the cost per unit is still $10. Okay? So we're going to have $10 per unit regardless of the number of units. We're ignoring the fact that we might get a quantity break, price break, or something like that. We're kind of making this a little simpler to understand. So our variable cost associated with the product is $10 per unit. And so if we graph that, it's going to be just a straight line on a per unit basis. If we look at the cost volume, and here we look at as the volume increases, our total cost will increase, and so it's going to graph in this manner. So that's how the variable costs will react associated with manufacturing on those units.